Hello, everyone. I wanted to print up a quick video to clue you in on statistics and some things we'll be doing in stat class, some responsibilities you will have to be ready for class, and also to help you get to know me a little bit better. We are, of course, going to school at a rather interesting time last spring, also in the fall semester, and now once again in the spring semester here. We'll have smaller class sizes, of course, and some of your schedules will change. If you are in my morning statistics class, we'll be attending class in the science building in room 321. Class time currently is scheduled for 8:20 to 9:20. That may change on test days. We may actually start earlier on test days, but regular classes is 8:20 to 9:20. If you are in my afternoon stat class, we'll also be in the same classroom. It's the science building, room 321. And the time of the afternoon class is 12:25 to 1:25. Okay. I will be emailing you a course syllabus. You can start trying to get a textbook because we're all home. You probably won't have access to the college bookstore as far as getting your textbook there. And some of you may be checking on Craigslist. You may be looking on Facebook Marketplace. You may get a digital copy. All of those are fine. There is actually a PDF free copy, which is rather interesting. I don't really care for it a whole lot. The problem with the free PDF version is that most of my students who have used it in the past try to put it on their telephone. They try to access the PDF from their telephone, which is a very small screen. Your cell phone is not conducive to a good place to have a textbook. But if you do want to try the free PDF version, put it on a laptop or a tablet. You can bring it to class. At least you can see it and see the graphs and whatnot that we will be doing to a greater degree than if it's on your cell phone. Okay. Also, I happen to have a student textbook in my office that I will happily loan out to the very first person that emails me and tells me that they are interested in that particular textbook. So if you're Johnny on the spot and want to email me right now, you may be able to get that free book and you'll be able to borrow it for the semester. So make sure when you get your email about the course syllabus that you read over it very, very carefully so that you'll get the ISBN number for the textbook to make certain that you get the correct textbook. We have had trouble with that in the past. So you want to be very careful that you get the correct one. One other thing that you will desperately need is a really decent calculator, a scientific calculator that you'll be able to do calculations. If you have a calculator that does statistics also, that will be extremely helpful as the course progresses through the spring. You don't need a graphing calculator at all. Those things are over $100 and you just don't need it. If you're interested in getting one of the finer, the better calculators, I would highly recommend the TI-30XS. Here it is, TI-30XS. Fantastic calculator, does statistics very simply and is very, very easy to use, and it's not as expensive as a graphing calculator. By the way, I also have a couple of calculators for some of you. If you come see me sometime, I will loan you a calculator for the course. But anyway, be on the lookout in your email inbox for the introduction to the course, the syllabus. Make sure you read over that very, very carefully. Try to get the book, however you're going to get the book. Try to have it by day one. That would be extremely helpful if you were to do that. Even though we'll be remotely learning, you're going to need a textbook, whether digital or hard copy, by day one. All right. And also, if you want the free copy, be the first to email me and I'll loan you that particular one. Looking forward to meeting you all. And in spite of the kind of strange circumstances we'll be having class under, I'm looking forward to the spring semester. And I hope you will enjoy statistics as much as I enjoy teaching it.